Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Is anybody out there? Okay, tak apa. Sementara kita menunggu untuk sesiapa yang di luar sana untuk menonton kita punya temu ramah petang ni. Well, I have got a very special guest actually. This is my ex-colleague daripada Maybank. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Okay, but daripada sana. So this is a friend that I haven't met for such a long time. Kan, Syed? Dah lama kita tak jumpa,
more than
kan?
10 years.
More than 10 years,
Yeah,
aku semangat. Okay. I tak kira. But okay, what really happened is one night, 2 weeks ago, I dah nak masuk tidur dah. I remember I dah masuk tidur dah, and then I received a text messages from FB.
Yes.
Okay, and then Shad texted me saying that, hi Kak Farhana, I just wanted to know about the pens because, I'm suffering from very bad sleep discs. Would like to know whether the pens can actually help my pain. And that's how it all started.
Yes.
Can? Alright. Probably before that, Shad, can you a little bit explain, introduce yourself?
I'm 36 years old. My name is Shadira.
Okay.
So as Kak Fana already mentioned just now, we met few years back through a working place.
Yes.
So after that, I actually had sleep disc. So I have been suffering quite lama jugalah. I suffer. So after that, I dah nampak Kak Fana duk asyik post dekat FB about this Aulora Kodenshi pants and all that.
So berapa lama dah you dah follow my FB actually?
I think ever since we work masa dulu lah.
Oh, okay. But on the pants?
On the pants,
when did you started to notice about the pants?
Early of this year.
Oh, okay. Just about when I started my career in
yeah,
the
because
okay,
you did the interview and all that kan.
So you have been following?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
So I nampak interview and then testimoni semua pun macam okay lah semua. Tapi mula-mula tu macam tak berani sangat nak tanya. Correct. Because I don't know whether betul ke tak ke.
True.
So but then after a while I rasa macam dah ramai orang yang cakap kata okay, it worked. So I pun macam dah tak tahan sangat dengan sakit belakang I.
But can you tell us what happened actually? Macam mana you boleh dapat slip disc tu?
I actually, doctor said that it could be because sebelum ni I pernah jatuh a few times. So jatuh terduduk.
I see.
So terjatuh terduduk tu dalam 2 times ke 3 times macam tu.
How long ago?
I rasa about 5 years.
5 years ago. I see.
5 years back.
And masa you jatuh tu, was it immediate pain?
Tak. Dia tak sakit immediately. After a while, dalam setahun macam tu, baru I dapat effect tu.
I see.
So I didn't know whether it was because of that. Lepas tu baru I pergi doktor tanya the history and all that, mungkin I pernah jatuh ke saya. So I said to doktor memang dia pernah jatuh sebelum ni. So doktor cakap could be because of that, or could be I lifted up barang-barang berat which I tak notice before this kan.
Right.
So yeah, mungkin sebab itulah I dapat slip disc. And then along the way I lama-lama dia makin sakit sampai tak boleh nak jalan.
I see.
So jalan few minutes kena duduk. Jalan few minutes kena duduk. So dah lama-lama lepas tu baru doktor advise untuk buat procedure untuk kurangkan the pain, because doctor advise me to do operation.
I see. Did you do?
No, I didn't do. Sebab takut. Sebab ramai I did research, ramai orang cakap lepas buat operation pun still sometimes benda tu akan datang balik.
Right.
So I thought
you didn't want to take the risk lah.
Yeah, tak nak. So I said might as well just do to reduce the pain, and along the way I'll try to find lah other solutions macam mana nak baikkan benda ni.
Right. So before you wore Aulora pants, what kind of other solutions that you mentioned? Did you try what kind of things that you tried before?
I tried acupuncture.
I see.
And then mostly memang acupuncture je yang I buat, and then banyak exercise lah. I tried to do exercise to strengthen my core muscles.
Right.
But then kalau exercise memang after a while dia akan datang balik lah. Lepas tu dah kerja tak ada masa, everything, so stop everything. Even acupuncture pun it didn't work for me.
I see.
Sometimes it got worse.
I see. So macam kalau you buat the exercise, it will reduce the pain?
Reduce tu not to say reduce lah. Dia macam kadang-kadang bertambah sakit adalah.
I see.
Mungkin tersilap cara, kita tak tahu kan.
Probably. Okay, so when you contacted me to know about the Aulora pants, I guess masa tu you were in so much pain.
Yes.
Really,
Memang ada tak tahan.
You tak tahan.
And then I don't want to go to the hospital because I know already
the procedure semua macam mana kan.
Dia memang akan bagi ubat. For me, I rasa macam makan ubat tu, I don't want to keep on asyik makan ubat je all the time kan. So I fikir tak apalah, I try makan painkiller. It didn't work anymore. It used to work. So lepas tu I rasa macam tak boleh tahan dia ni. Why not I just try? Because I heard about this Aulora pants can reduce the pain kan, untuk orang-orang yang ada sakit sleep disc.
Correct. Yeah, because I think you followed me. I've got a lot of testimony about orang sleep disc bila pakai ni, and then they can like basically do all the things that they've done before without the pain.
Normal,
kan? Like as per normal.
Routine,
okay, and you mentioned to me we'll talk about yang Lazada tu later. Okay, but then she came to me the week after, masa dia dah cakap dengan I. Okay, because that was almost weekend, so we made an appointment the week after. So when she met me, we met in BE's office, and then she immediately purchased a pants. So you wore it after that?
Yes.
Can you please share with us what happened?
Okay, I immediately after I bought, balik rumah terus pakai immediately, because I memang dah tak sabar sebab tak tahan sangat sakit I kan. So I tried the first day, tak ada difference. So I dah macam sebenarnya macam dah give up juga, macam lah kata boleh baik tapi tak ada rasa effect apa-apa pun. So,
baru lagi.
So I just thought to myself, it's okay, just give it some time. It's not magic. So I waited for about 2 days, tak ada apa-apa juga. And then the third day, actually when I woke up, it reduced. So the pain dia tak immediately go away. So sebenarnya you kena sabar lah. You have to be patient in everything kan. So macam for me, okay tak apa, I tunggu hari ketiga tu dia cakap it reduce tau. Macam I don't think about my pain anymore, because normally all the time I akan fikir pasal I punya sakit.
Because sakit tu ada kan.
Because the sakit is there, the pain is there. So bila I nak buat apa pun kerja, it will macam dia limit my routine.
I see.
So bila macam I tengah tengok TV, tiba-tiba macam saya fikir, ada tak fikir dah pasal sakit that means it has reduced.
Alhamdulillah.
Sebab bila I fikir je, bila I fikir pasal sakit tu macam, ada lagi tapi sikit je dia. So it doesn't macam bother me anymore lah, like
I see.
It used to be.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. Were you surprised? Were you?
Yes. It lifted up my trust. Macam sebelum ni macam I tak percaya kan. Macam memang betul benda ni, I tak sangka just a pants can actually not to say cure, but actually it reduce a lot.
It manages the pain.
Correct,
kan?
Yes.
Without orang kata, without operation, without any medication.
Betul.
And then at last I think you have found orang kata a product solution kan, to help with your daily life.
Correct.
Right. Can you share with us yang you shared with me just now about you did your research?
Yes. Of course, if you want to buy something, you have to do research first kan. So when I saw these pants, I immediately, because I like to tengok benda online, sebab sometimes online Lazada, especially Lazada, Shopee, memang murah kan, much cheaper. So I didn't know about the price yet, so I just want to know actually the range of the product. So bila I tengok dekat Lazada and Shopee, I cakap, okay, there are a lot more
products.
Kodenshi punya pants.
True.
But Aulora punya pun ada juga. So it says that berapa ringgit, about berapa, I pun tak ingat lah. So I tengok dekat situ macam, okay, so I don't know which one to choose. I tak tahu whether this one is workable ataupun tak, whether this can be trusted or not.
And then you tak tahu whether is it a trusted product. Testimoni pun tak ada. Kan. So I think that's where you decided to give it a go with me.
Yes.
Probably.
Sebab kalau you beli suddenly it's not workable, tiba-tiba macam it's not working, so macam rugilah you spend for nothing. At least you go to I macam fikir, okay, this is a trusted punya product. Agent yang I rasa macam you can actually rely on. Kalau apa-apa you boleh pergi balik dekat dia nak cakap. Kata this thing is not working, why kita boleh question balik.
Correct. And then the other benefits kalau you pergi to an agent is you also get the advisors, you know, you also get how to use, because we are basically trained with the product knowledge, and we also have other testimonies, cerita orang macam mana their journey with the pants, so we can actually share. So kalau you tak dapat on the first day, we would be able to you should continue wearing. You know, you just wear because you will get, kita yakin as people coming from BE International, kita dah jumpa ramai orang, sebenarnya kita yakin produk ni memang jadi. So sebenarnya you can just continue wearing, you know, orang kata istiqamah je. So you will get it. Alright, so last but not least, what is your advice to your friends and family out there yang ada condition like you, that also suffers slip disc?
Okay, for me, I would recommend to especially to those yang ada slip disc, sebab I have gone through that journey kan. So I rasa macam you try first, then you will believe it when you try it. So I memang advise untuk orang try dulu this product if you have this kind of apa nama ni, sakit kan.
Bukan main-main kan sakit dia.
Bukan. Memang you tak boleh jalan, you cannot do anything lah, basically you think about your pain. Nak drive kereta pun tak boleh.
I see. And you are quite young, still young, and you know, and kita ingat orang yang tua saja, orang yang berbadan besar saja yang sakit, tapi sebenarnya kita yang berbadan kecil ni pun banyak penyakit kan, Syed kan?
Banyak.
Betul. Kita nampak je macam okay, tapi sebenarnya tipu. Okay, so that's really good sharing. So thank you very much, Shad, because you know for agreeing to actually share your stories with us and to all the people out there. So anybody who wants to know more about the pants, please contact Shad. She would be able to also assist you and also myself. Kita boleh cerita sebenarnya apa teknologi di belakang seluar yang memang macam Syed kata, tak sangka sepasang seluar boleh berikan balik makna kehidupan kepada kita. Kan, Syed?
Yes, betul.
Kan? Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. We'll share with you on other testimonies at other locations. Okay, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye.